Berries, welcome back to another video. This is our second day in Berry Avenue. So this is our first full day in Berry Avenue. We are gonna go meet up with some friends at the beach, but right now I'm just like brushing my teeth and I'm about to wake up the kids. I let them sleep in today because like they've been up all day yesterday on the plane and stuff, and they did go to bed early and stuff, so I'm gonna let Astro sleep in though because he did a lot yesterday. He woke up at like 5 a.m. and then he didn't sleep at all, so I'm gonna let him sleep in. But I'm gonna go wake up the toddlers right now. Good morning, guys.
It's not a good morning, actually. My eyes are bleeding and you're screaming in my ear. That's not a good morning. It's a bad morning because you're here. And Payleen is also in this call. You should go kill yourself.
Okay, calm down. Okay, wait.
I'm not getting up this bed.
I have breakfast, and your mom told me she wants you up early today. So.
I don't care. I'm staying right here.
Oh, you want me to tell your mom that you don't care?
I'll get up.
Okay.
Get up.
Lena, Sophie, and Liam, can you guys also get up and meet me downstairs for breakfast?
I don't think I will.
Good morning, Aaliyah and Paige.
Yo, issue.
How was your guys' morning? Mo, can you go downstairs, or else I'm gonna call your mom.
You have no friends, you're adopted. Go fuck yourself. Go jump off a bridge.
Wait, your issues be like
Okay.
anger management issues.
Okay, can you guys? Can everyone come downstairs? Everyone sit at this dining table, and if there's no more spaces, then you can sit over here.
Gotcha.
Girl, calm down. Anyways.
Hello. Excuse me, I'm being attacked here.
Womp womp.
Hey, Paige, Paige, you're about to be grounded. Sit down and put that down.
Yeah, Paige.
I'll
Anyways.
put it beside me, Mo.
That's-
Don't worry.
Paige, that is not how we treat our guests, okay? Not how we treat our guests. I did not teach you to be so ungrateful. Paige, I didn't treat you to be ungrateful, so.
Mom, that's how we treat our guests.
Okay, well, guys, we actually have no ingredients for breakfast, so everyone get ready. We are gonna go out for breakfast, then grocery shopping.
Help! I'm being attacked.
Everyone get dressed into a normal outfit. Good morning, Astro. Okay, anyways.
Help!
Okay, let me just go downstairs.
Come here.
Hey, okay, Paige, give me that iPad. Give me that phone. You're grounded.
Oh, damn.
Okay, Paige, let me go to your bedroom. I'm gonna go take that stuff from you. You brought.
No, I have my handphone.
Damn.
Okay, I got your phone. Give me your iPad now, or else you're gonna be grounded for longer. Okay, do you guys wanna? Where do you guys wanna go?
Hey Alexa, shut up.
You shut up.
Okay, well.
Femboy.
Emo.
Anyway.
Femboy.
Emo.
Brunette. Femboy.
Okay, if you guys continue, I'm going to ground you guys. Okay, guys, get in. We are going to
Real
Starbucks.
child. That's code abuse. When you do the things we do, I'm in the car. I'm not going out there with the femboy.
Mo, cut out here, or else I'm gonna tell your mom. Anyways,
Me strong. Keep me running. The things we do.
he's so bad at singing that I glitched. Get into the car. We're waiting on you. Okay, I brought all of your swimsuits in the trunk. So, and we're meeting some of your friends at the beach. So,
Ew, Ew. Paige has friends.
Josh gonna be there?
That's a first.
Well, who?
Ew. I do not
Is
share.
Josh gonna be there?
I do not share.
No,
I
he's
do
at
not share.
Bloxburg. We're in
Why
Berry
are you driving
Avenue.
on the off-road?
No, we're pretending that's a parking space. Oh, Aaliyah, it's your best friend.
Ew.
Hi, Leah.
Mo has a bad.
Hi, Leah. Aaliyah's coming.
Mo has a bad.
Aaliyah, your best friend's here.
Oh my gosh.
Mo has a bad. Mo has a bad.
Hi. Mo, you're grounded. I'm texting your parents. Texting your parents.
I don't have a bad.
I saw it.
Hi, Leah.
Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Wake up.
Hi, Mo's being a really bad boy right now. Here,
Gosh, I came here all the way to meet you. Girl, of course I would.
okay, well,
Emo era be like,
Okay.
what the?
stop.
Oh no.
Anyways,
Is that your little brother? Because he looks crazy.
no, that's my little brother's friend. Okay, well, everyone, get your swimsuits on. I'm gonna give everyone their swimsuits right now. Get your swimsuits on. We are going on that big yacht. Get onto the yacht. Okay,
Guys, go the proper way.
okay, guys, this is our pot. This is our pot spot in the yacht.
Hey, Mom, look. I'm at the very top. Woo, this is fun, Mom.
I know. We have more stuff booked for the entire 2 weeks we are staying here.
You.
I'm not at the yacht. Wait for me, please.
You. Ooh, there's something about,
Oh, hey guys, Liv came.
about the way.
Guys, look who came. We have Liv here too.
Hi, guys.
Chicken wing, hot dog,
Hey.
and bologna.
Okay, so
I'm stuck. Help! Help! I'm drowning. Help!
okay, so we have Paige. Okay, everyone come to the lounge. And if we have no one here, then I'm gonna. Okay, we have Lena. Everyone sit down. We have Lena, Liv, Aaliyah. We have Mo. We have Paige, Liam, and then Astro. So we're just missing Sophie and Aaliyah. We're also missing your friend. So I'm gonna go look for them. Okay, Sophie's coming. Where's your friend Aaliyah? Leah. Where's Leah? Leah.
Help me!
I see it. She's down there.
Okay, Leah, come through here. Just go here, then jump.
Okay. I'm in.
Okay. And then what you're gonna do is climb up here and then up here and then sit. Okay. Anyways, what do you guys want to do on this yacht? Like, there's so much to do.
Mo has a pee-pee.
Mo,
Wanna
that's
see my
it.
trick? I'm gonna jump in the water. Are you ready?
No! Paige, if you do it, I swear I'm gonna take all your devices.
Can I do gymnastics?
Whee!
Oh my god. You know what? Everyone just jump.
Yay!
I'm gonna do my
Oh,
gymnastics.
you got it. Wait, AFK, AFK.
I'm gonna do my gymnastics.
Guys, look, I used to be a gymnast.
I'm so proud.
You wanna see? I'm probably better than you. I don't wanna hear it. Anyways. Guys, look at my amazing gymnastics moves. I used to be a gymnast.
Allison,
Yes?
I'm not told me to tell you that she likes you.
What?
I'm not told me to tell you that she likes you.
Ew. Anyways, 3, 2, 1. Guys, look at how good I am. I'm pretty sure you guys... Oh, okay. So you guys are doing gymnastics.
I'm gonna do gymnastics on the so tight shit.
Hey, Liam. How are you doing out in here?
I'm doing good.
Don't you want to come outside instead of being on your phone?
No, actually, stop.
Not really.
Okay, well, have fun in here. Leah, do you want to hang out with Liam?
Sure, I guess.
Okay, Aaliyah, come here too so that your friend's not lonely. Okay. Anyways, you guys can hang out here. If you guys want to go outside, just let me know and I'll be in here with him. If you guys want to chill, you guys can chill in here because I know it's hot out there and there's air conditioning in here. Damn! Sophie, what happened? Why did you get such a sunburn on your face?
I'm driving the plane. Mom.
Yeah?
I just did a back walk over to a
Oh my gosh. Do you want to tumble off? Come, let's go. Let's do it. Okay. You got those jeans from me, okay? Okay. Sophie, do you want to do a round off back handspring back tuck or do you not know that? Okay. Let's do it. Come from here. Come over here, okay? Okay. So let's do it in 3, 2, 1, go.
I was cleaning up enough.
Okay, guys, I think we spent enough time in this yacht. So do you guys want to go back? What?
Crashing you and me.
I want to go back home. In fact, I want to leave this
So
place.
boring.
Guys,
I
come.
farted.
I got a boat for us instead of a yacht. Come.
Where?
Outside.
Where?
So some people can sit down, some people can just stand. It's safe. Trust me. Just don't jump off.
I don't believe it.
You aren't safe. I jumped off.
Okay. Is everyone on?
Yeah. No. Oh my god.
I'm pretty sure Paige...
Is this safe for me to do gymnastics?
No. Astro, Leah, how about everyone gets to the front? Once you're at the front of the boat, it's guaranteed you'll be safe. Okay, alright.
Well, I'm doing gymnastics on the boat.
Leah! Leah, get back on. You just did a whole wipeout.
We're not going to talk about how I fell off.
Okay, well, anyways, let's...
Look.
Okay. I'm back.
What?
Astro!
Oh my god.
Leah, get back on.
Oh gosh, I pressed something.
Dude, you are so fast. Oh my god. She's underneath the boat.
Liam, get on. I don't think this is safe, but we're gonna do it anyways.
So traumatizing.
Stop!
Feels good.
This is the worst day of my life. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh, bro. How did you gosh.
Guys, I am the star of the show.
No, you're not.
Someone help me.
I am the star of the show.
Oh my gosh.
I fell off the boat. The star of the show. I'm the star of the show.
Oh my god, the twins are down there. Okay.
So traumatizing.
Okay, I think... Liam! Sophie! Okay, everyone, let's get to shore. I'm gonna go get that girl. Okay, everyone jump off.
No, I'm going to swim.
Okay, everyone jump off because we have to go get to dinner soon. Wait. Okay, guys, we have to get to dinner soon. So just stay at the beach, okay?
I'm traumatized.
No one asks. Like, shut up.
We have to ask about your opinion. So shut up.
No one asks you to be here. Like,
Get on the boat. Get on the boat. Leah, get on the boat. It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
what boat?
Okay. Leah was drowning, so I had to get her. Anyways, that was not safe, so we're not doing that again. But did you guys have fun?
Look at this boat.
Okay. Well, guys, how about we get into the bus and then let's get going?
Wait for me. Mom, where are you?
Right here. Get onto the bus. Oh my.
You hungry?
No, not right now.
That was the worst.
Go, go,
Yeah, sure.
Mom,
Come and get it.
I'll get it after.
Mom, hurricane. I hate it. Wait for me. Wait.
Minute one does to the hop on them. Minute no chalked out in the one didn't tell rent it's a year 10 yank on them. I got to
Shut up.
on them.
Shut up.
Yes?
I'm calling you, but where are you? I'm lost.
We're on the beach.
Monday the tea down.
Okay, bye. And forget I made this call.
Okay. Do you guys know where Lena is? Dylan, do you know where or Mo, do you know where your twin sister is?
I don't really care where she is. Like, if she's out of the like she can kill herself.
Oh my god.
Guys, apparently that boat was a hurricane. It didn't work properly. It's a hazard.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Just letting you know.
Okay, well, everyone, I'm dropping you guys off at dinner since it's not a big enough car for everyone. I'm gonna have to go pick up Lena and Paige. So everyone get out, and everyone sit at the table. Aaliyah and Astro are in charge.
In charge.
Okay, the toddlers, you guys are sitting at your own table. So Mo, Sophie, Liam, and Lena, you guys are sitting at your own table. Then Aaliyah, you're sitting with your friends, and Paige, Paige, you can sit wherever you want.
He's fine. Whoops.
Okay, I need to go find these kids. Paige, do you know where Lena is?
Let's talk. Ali and Liv, let's talk.
Let's see.
Guys, it's a buffet, so you guys can come up here and eat whatever you want.
That's because you're fine.
Hey, Mom, look.
Real.
Mom, look at my dance. Wait. If you want to dance.
Rap.
Well, this is so good.
Calm down. Calm down.
Hey, Mom.
This is
Mhm.
Mom, look at my dance. You ready to see my dance?
Sure.
Look. Where are you? Here, there you are. Oops.
Oh.
Look, I can shake my booty.
No. Sit down.
No. Whoa. Baby, can't give me alone.
My mom's calling me to come home.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Do you
Bye, Leah. We'll see you at the soccer tournament.
Okay, yeah, you see me there. Bye.
Bye. Okay, well, guys, I think we're done eating here. Liv, do you want to sleep over or do you want to go home?
I have to go home.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
You'll come back, like.
Okay, any more requests?
With Era's tour.
Extended version, please.
Yeah.
Some people here aren't fans of Taylor Swift, and we have to respect that, okay? Like Mo and stuff.
They're morons. Okay.
And we watched that movie around 10 times. I'm getting sick of it.
No, we have not, Mother.
Lena, do you have any requests for movie night?
Why do you sound like that? You're not British. You're not British, Mom.
I am British.
Mo, do you have any requests for Mo?
What?
You're Canadian.
Do you have any request?
No, I don't. Actually, we are not
That's
watching
good.
movies. If you're watching movies, I'm going upstairs.
No, I don't want much for it. Put a signal on that.
Okay, fine. We'll watch the Taylor Swift Eras Tour movie.
Yay!
No.
Yes. Yes.
No,
Yes.
no,
Yes. Yes.
no,
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. You can say that all you want, but we're still watching it. Yay!
Nobody said any other options but the Taylor Swift movie, so we're watching the Taylor Swift movie.
Are we watching it? Are we watching it on Disney Plus?
Yep, the extended version.
Yay!
That's so slight.
What does you say? Unless I know that every is treatable.
If you guys don't want to participate in tonight's movie night, you guys have to still sit in the living room, but you can go on your iPad.
I won't. I'll be sleeping.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Thank you for watching that. We will need headphones because
For real.
Are we almost there?
And if you're gonna use your iPad, yes, you do need headphones in the living room.
I don't want to hear anything in the Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Life was a willow.
I know for a fact Aaliyah, Liam, and Sophie are. And Paige. Okay, guys, everyone go shower. The movie night will start at 8:30.
Yay!
Liam, I swear, if you get in the shower before me, I'm gonna shoot you hellhole.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna.
Okay, I'm going first.
I know.
Actually, no. I have a bathroom in my bedroom, so I'm gonna go to that first.
I got it first. Hey, get out.
Aaliyah, I'm gonna give you the first option. Do you want a popsicle or ice cream? Popsicle. Okay, popsicle. I'll give you a popsicle then. Here you go. Okay. Mo, it's your turn. Come sit down.
Huh?
Your turn.
Oh, sorry.
Popsicle or ice cream? Come sit down. Popsicle or ice cream?
Popsicle.
Okay, here you go. Okay, Lena, popsicle or ice cream?
Liam, can we switch spots?
Why?
Oh, my bad. Okay.
It doesn't matter, okay? It's my mom.
Okay, I'm gonna give you this. Okay, there you go. Popsicle or ice cream?
Popsicle.
Okay. Popsicle or ice cream, Paige?
You have cherry vanilla ice cream,
Yep.
and you have cherry popsicles.
No.
Cherry vanilla ice cream.
There you go.
Yum.
Sophie, popsicle or ice cream?
Ice cream.
Okay, here you go. And Astro, popsicle or ice cream? Okay, popsicle. And finally, I'm gonna take an ice cream. I'm gonna come around with more snacks later. Near the what era? Near the red era, I'm gonna hand out more snacks.
How will we say speak now?
Yeah, speak now. Era.
1989.
Okay,
Speak now.
okay, now it's the
Folklore.
okay.
Evermore. I don't know. Speak now. It's a good one.
Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna start handing out snacks during the speak now era. So, you guys got to eat this quickly.
100 headphones, 100 Sorry.
It's not.
Okay, guys. It's speak now era now, so I'm gonna give you guys more snack choices.
Hey, speak now. Captain and long live.
What's y'all's favorite song by Taylor?
I'm not sure. I have a lot. Okay. Do you want a popsicle or no? Do you want? Okay, I'm gonna give out popcorn. Soon there will be choices again later, guys. So the next round of snacks will be choices again, but right now we're just giving everyone popcorn. Mo, take the popcorn.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Lena, here, take your popcorn. Liam, take your popcorn. And Liam, Liam, I know you're a big fan of Taylor Swift, so I put it in your Eras Tour bucket. And Paige, here's your popcorn. Take it.
Oh, can you put it in my 1988 bucket? Can you put it in my 1988?
Yeah, sure. You can go put it in there.
I'm getting, okay, let me just pour it in, and then make it caramel corn. Perfect.
Sophie, take your popcorn.
You go fuck myself.
Sophie, take your popcorn. And Astro, here's your popcorn. Okay. And then I've got popcorn for myself. Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
Real quick. Okay, ready? I want to do my little performance, okay? Yeah. Remember when Nessa sent a mom into space for only 6 days, and they gave her...
Boo! Get off the table.
This night is sparkling. Don't you let it go.
Okay, guys. Now, at the Evermore era, I'm going to start giving out the last bit of snacks.
Wait, but Evermore is the fourth week now.
My bad.
So...
Oh, I meant folklore.
Yeah! Folklore.
Near the middle of the folklore era, I'm going to give you guys snacks. We're almost at the end of the movie, so now it's folklore. So now I'm going to give out more snacks. Okay, let me find more snacks right here. Okay. Do you want a cupcake? Or, Aaliyah, do you want a cupcake? Or do you want, do you want a cupcake or a donut? Donut. Okay, here's your donut. Okay, cupcake or donut?
Don't give Mo anything. He's going to have a sugar high.
Mo, cupcake or donut?
Cupcake.
He already has one. It's okay. Lena, cupcake or donut?
Alexa, Exxon.
Lena, cupcake or donut?
I just want to show you off.
Lena, do you want a cupcake or a donut?
Oh, Gordon
Here you go.
Ramsay ad came on, and I thought we had no ads.
Liam, cupcake or donut?
Can I have champagne?
Cupcake or donut, Paige?
I didn't say. Wait, I didn't say cupcake.
Oh, you said donut? Okay, here.
No, I said champagne.
Champagne?
Or champagne
Wait,
problem.
no, I want 7 cupcakes. Let me go get 7 cupcakes.
Okay, well, guys, the movie is almost to an end. It's at the Midnight era, so start putting your snacks in the trash.
But there's surprise songs. The surprise songs at the end.
We already...
You're in love. Oh, yeah, but there's more. Maroon, You're in Love, and Our Song. And You're Your Own Kid.
Alexa.
Okay, fine, we'll watch it.
Our song is gonna be hard all day, knocking on your window.
Don't listen to that.
Again, maybe watch on here the folklore session.
I like that. Oh
my God.
Get out of my room.
Good night.
Good night.
Have a good night. We're waking up tomorrow. We're waking up at 11 a.m. and yeah, it's gonna be a normal day. Okay. Good night.
Hey, perfect. She actually thinks I'm sleeping. We just make plans. And
Okay,
perfect. Now we can go smoke.
Liam, no more. Okay. Good night, guys.
I'm gonna put pillows where I should be sleeping.
Okay. Good night, Sophie. Good night, Lena. Good night, Liam, and good night, Mo. Liam, I'm gonna take that iPad. Okay. Good.
No, don't.
Good night. Okay, now Astro's asleep too, so now I'm gonna go to bed myself. Okay, guys, that is the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to like and yeah. And if you like more content of this, make sure to turn on your notifications so you never miss whenever I upload a video. Bye, guys. Have a great night or day.